Getting off the ship here at CocoCay. Got Ryan with me. We're gonna make a little trip down to South Beach, and then from South Beach we're gonna head to where?
The Secret Garden.
The Secret Garden.
Secret Garden Bar, it's called.
Both of us have never been there, so we're gonna head there, check that out. A little bit of an overcast day. Here's what we got. I think we got Jewel of the Seas next to us here, and there's Utopia. I'll show you the difference here in a second. You're gonna see the difference in the size of these two ships. It's incredible. So, like I said, a little overcast today, a little wind. Sorry if there's a little wind noise. Don't have the mics on because we're just getting started for the day, but let me show you. There's a perfect day at CocoCay. So there we are, perfect day at CocoCay. And here's Jewel. One's a miniature version of the other. Hey, stick around to the end to see one of Royal's newest attractions at CocoCay, the Secret Garden Bar.
Hi, welcome to Harbor Happy Hour. Tammy and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like, turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
Here we are at South Beach, following Ryan as he goes and gets us right on the front row like he always does. We'll see what happens.
I don't know, I don't think we made it.
A little late, I made him ride the tram. He wanted to walk here, and I was like, we gotta go walking to find this other. Two right there, Ryan, right off the bat.
I think you went in.
What do you think, here? I'm going to take you to the Secret Garden Bar. We're just getting off the tram station here on South Beach. We're right here on the map. Follow along. We're going to show you one of the great secrets that Royal just built. So as you leave the tram station right here at South Beach, it's going to be about a 2-minute walk. You're going to walk from the far right side of the South Beach. There's going to be one of the restaurants right here where you can grab something to eat at the snack shack. And then you're going to see we're going to have volleyball up on the left. There is the floating bar out there, beach chairs on the right. We're walking over to the sports pavilion, and right past the sports pavilion, past the bar, or between the bar and the sports pavilion, is going to be where you start the walk through to the Secret Garden Bar. There's a sports pavilion up there. We're going to turn left, like I said, right between the pavilion and the bar, cross the tram path, and that's going to take us straight back. Like I said, at the most it's a 2-minute walk off of South Beach, one of Royal's new little bars they put together. Bar on South Beach. There's the beach. There's the sports pavilion. There's the basketball court. And we're headed over to the Secret Garden Bar. And here's Ryan right up here. He's ahead of me. It's a little short walk from South Beach. So there we are. There's Ryan. Here we go. That's neat, isn't it? Little sand path back here.
shaded back through here. The path winds back to this little secret garden bar here on CocoCay. Looks like there's a split right there in the trail, so I assume they're both gonna end up in the same spot.
Hammocks up in the bushes.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Didn't even see that. Thanks, Ryan. We got some hammocks back here along this side, and I see them throughout. I think we can just go down this way, and there's 2, 3, 4 sets of hammocks here as we go through. Come cool off on a hot day here. And some days it does get really warm. Today we got a little overcast, so it's a little actually cooler than normal. I think we're sitting about 9 o'clock. 8 o'clock is when we first get out, and as we come out, you're gonna see this cool little bar. Oh wow, isn't that neat? Oh yeah, that's cool. Little chill place to grab a book, sit back, read. Seats along the sides, umbrellas. Little shower on the side, right here. So this is like a less than a minute walk from South Beach. Pretty neat place. So what do you think?
That's pretty badass.
It's a pretty cool place. I couldn't believe it. It's as you can see, it's gorgeous in here. Great idea, Royal. Way to go. Like it a lot. All right, Ryan, so I got a couple questions for you. Your normal day at CocoCay is off at what time?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Beach chair on the front row.
Front row.
Because you're here at 8:10.
Yeah.
And today we actually had breakfast, and so a little later start. So we're on the second row, which kind of throws everything off. But we're here at the this little bar, the Secret Hideaway Beach.
Secret Garden Bar.
Secret Garden Bar. I'll cut that in because Ryan has to remind me names like 10 times. Secret Garden Bar. We're at the Secret Garden Bar, and so hey. So what do you think? Because your go-to is to go do what every time? Your go-to is going to?
Go-to is the floating bar, for sure. I mean, this is pretty cool, though. This is nice. It's, it's you know, real, what's the word?
It's chill.
Yeah, it's chill.
So, will you change it up? Will you add this to the repertoire of CocoCay Perfect Day?
We'll add this to the rotation. I'm thinking maybe the play would be have lunch, have a couple drinks here, and then go back to the floating bar.
Great call. Great call. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check this place out, the Secret Garden Bar.
Very secluded. That's what I was going for. Very secluded out here.
Yeah.
But see, there's no water view, so that's the part that kind of sucks.
Yeah, when you're on a ship, you want to see the water for the day, and you kind of want the sand beneath your feet. So thanks for watching. If you like this content, please hit this little button right here. It'll show you more about the Caribbean. And if you haven't subscribed, hit this button right here. Subscribe to Harbor to Happy Hour. Thanks for watching.